Hello, my name is Bhupesh Kumar and I am going to present my dashboard. At first, this is my data set of shoes brand. There are many columns present in my data set like date, brand, number of weeks, month, state, city, customer name, quantity, amount and total amount. These are my data set. Then move forward to my top sheets. Here I created pivot table according to my requirements, which help me to analyze my data sets. I created first table where I identify the number of customer based on the brand and visualizing by using bar chart. Then I created second table where I identify the total number of sales quantity according to brand and visualizing by using pie chart. Similarly, I created third table and visualizing by using column chart. Then I created fourth table where I identify the customer count according to region and month and visualizing by using area chart. Then in then after in fifth table I visualize state wise revenue, and here I created three slicer which help to make our data set more interactive. Now I move forward to next sheet, which is trade line sheet. Here I calculate total revenue, calculate uh, total customer revenue according to region and state in different pivot table, and visualizing trade line by using area chart. And next map sheet. In this sheet I visualize same thing which was in trade line sheet, but in this sheet I use map chart, and similarly I using two slicer for make our dashboard more interactive. Now I move forward to the next sheet, which is main dashboard. Here I created three bottom that are top sheet, map and trade line, which help to switch our dashboard. Like if I clicking on map, then our dashboard switch and open another dashboard. Now I am going back to my top sheet dashboard. Here five charts are present in my top sheet dashboard. If I talking about first chart, that is showing most popular brand according to customer, and in second chart we see all brand according to revenue generating, and in third chart here we are show sales according to brand, top sales according to brand, and in fourth chart total revenue according to state, and in last chart we can see sales according to region and month. Now if I want to see our chart according to month, then simply click on any month. Then we can see that according to month our dashboard changed. If I want to see sales data of Bihar in March month, then I clicking on Bihar and Bihar state and March month. Now we see that our dashboard changed according to that. Now I am going to clear our filter. Now I am going to next part of my dashboard, which is map dashboard. For that I clicking on map button. In this dashboard I visualize top sales revenue using map. If I want to see month-wise top revenue, then I click on month, and if I want to see brand-wise top revenue, then click on brand. As, now we see the example. If I clicking on Nike, sorry. If I clicking on Adidas, then we see the total revenue, total customer, and brand name. Clear our filter. If we want to see our total revenue of April month, then I click on April, and now we see our dashboard as was changed. And the last part of my dashboard is trade line. Here I visualize total revenue according to region, month, by using trade line area chart. Thank you.